Magic 102.7. I saw her sitting in the rain, raindrops falling on her. She didn't seem to care. She sat there and smiled at me. Then I knew she could make me happy, happy, happy. Flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere. Oh, I don't know just why, she simply caught my eye. I love the flowers. She seemed so sweet and kind, she crept into my mind. I knew I had to say hello, 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 hello. She smiled up at me, took my hand, walked through the park alone. Then I knew she had made me happy, happy, happy. Flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere. Oh, I don't know just why, she simply caught my eye. I love the flowers. She seemed so sweet and kind, she kept it to my mind. To my mind. Suddenly the sun broke through. I turned around and she was gone. And all I had left was one little flower in my hand. But I knew she had made me happy, happy, happy. Flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere. I love the flowers. Was she reality or just a dream to me? Her love showed me the way to find a sunny day. I love the flowers. Was she reality or just a dream to me? I love the flowers. Was she reality or just a dream to me? Thank you. Magic 102.7. Alright, put your hands together for Richie.